That's pretty sweet. I like the way you did this. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Hey, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, welcome on in.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, I've seen you walking around.
Yeah, I was trying to stop by earlier, but I got pretty caught up with some others. Is this a 6.5? Okay,
Yep.
just a little bit of mid bass.
I needed a center console, and I wanted a pad, so I was like, "Wow, I'll make a T-line."
There you go. Okay.
And I run it off of the other few channels on the.
Wow. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. I like the way you did this.
Much, so it's getting the full 5K.
Really? All the sets are breaking in. Are they pretty good?
Oh no, they're loose.
Yeah. BTLs. 6th order. How did you do that? Is it like the trunk, the tire area?
I'll open the trunk.
I'll see it afterward. Yeah.
The box basically.
Okay.
It has that lip.
Yep.
So the box itself goes all the way in the trunk. It's everything, and then it extends over the gas tank, and that's where it ends.
Gotcha.
Right there.
And you did all this?
Yeah.
Wow. Must have been a fun project.
It took
a lot of work. Oh yeah. Sweet. Have you metered it yet?
It only does a 47.
47. And that's a low. Oh wow, 2900. Okay. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. What was your name?
Jacob.
Jacob. Jacob.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Hey, I've met a few Jacobs today I've never met, so that's cool. All right.
All right. So, let's see. Everything I have is probably copywritten, so.
Don't worry about it. Play what you want to play. As long as you got some bass, you know that hits good, it'll be all right.
Let me show you what the scene like. Pull up to the spot in the car that you never seen like. Double cup, swisher full of purple, see me lean like. Always on that gold rush, you know I'm a fiend, right? Wisdom, glorified lies, leading us to hell, but we turn that track on high. Tell them. Side to side, trunk crack inside the line, ride around my side of town, beat up, these streets, bust speed up, pedal to the middle, time screaming. Inspires wisdom, glorified lies, leading us to hell, but we turn that track on high. Tell them. crack inside the lie. Ride around my side of town. Beat up these streets, bust me. See me lean like always on that gold rush. You know I'm a fiend, right? Song on the freaking radio. Destroy the youth, but stack that paper, guys up. Way to go. Flexing so they know we gonna see them when they ride through. Being used to gang hating, this is what we ride to. In the hood, teach them how to be fools. And the kids in the suburbs how to be cool. I don't blame them, no, I know it's deep when they rap. I can't just do it, sounds a fiction. This was deeper than that. All the hardest men is evil in the world. Make it better. They got tears all on their chest, but deep down you know that they beggars. We despise wisdom, glorify lies, leading us to hell, but we turn that track on high. Tell them, every time I put on, they be like they shouting, what you on? Play that song or so, you know that one, that's my favorite song. Every time I pull up, 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 they be like they shouting, what you on? Play that song or so, you know that one, that's my favorite song. Every time I pull up, 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 crack that front, back inside the side, trunk, crack inside the line. Despise wisdom, glorify lies, leading us to hell, but we turn that track on high. Tell them. Inside the side, trunk, crack inside the line, ride around my side of town, beat up these streets, bust speed up, pedal to the middle, top screaming.
Awesome, dude. That's got good bandwidth too, especially being 6-cylinder blow through in the trunk. That's sick. Are you considered trunk build or wall or when you compete? Do you know?
Trunk wall, I guess.
Trunk wall.
I really have no idea.
You know? Okay. It's all good. Can I see the back?
Yeah.
The way it's set up? That's awesome. Very different. Built into this thing. Yeah, solid.
No, it's not.
Oh, yeah, solid. Awesome. You got really all the space you can take in there on that.
Basically, just enough room I can get in here to change out a bulb. That's all I left.
There you go. You thought about that part, yeah. Awesome. Did the trunk move a lot? Not really. Most of the flex is inside.
Right.
Most of the the doors, yeah, the doors are flexing a lot. Thanks for the demo, man. Awesome build. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.